New Axe Shower Gel.
Robby'Rob, we all know what's going on. Let's get to it. Okay, we're back here. I already added in the coconut, okay? I cannot tell you or express to you the smell of this. It's incredible, all right? I gotta think this is probably going to be one of the better meals that you're ever going to see on my show. I really do, you know? So anyways, this is it's going to happen. Usually it doesn't. You get a mishap, whatever, it happens. We roll with the punches here. Okay. When you're cooking salt and pepper, all right, first of all, when heat hits them, they kind of get into the food and then they're gone. You always got to add a little bit more, all right? That's what I'm trying to tell you right now. Add a little bit more. Not a lot. Don't want to over-season anything, all right? A little bit more cracked pepper. You got the sweets. Everything's going good. Beautiful. All right. I'm going to tell you this is done. I'm going to tell you right now this is done. I know it is. Now shut the heat off. I'm bringing you over now. All right, you ready? Ready for this? Let's go. Coming over here. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Good stuff. All right. Well, I'm going to put it all together now so you can see the final presentation of the plate. So, when we come back, I'll have it all laid out. You can see it as a final product. I'm cooking with Bob or Robby'Rob because we do auctions here. All right? Okay, we're back for the presentation. This has been a beautiful meal put together. It's a chicken, apple, and walnut dish with a brown sugar sauce, served with couscous, and we're going to go with some cucumbers because they're refreshing, with a little olive oil on there, maybe some herb de Provence, a little cracked pepper. It's going to look great. Let's do it. I'll cook with Bob. Okay, so now we're back here with Cooking with Bob, a.k.a. Robby'Rob. What we got going on here is we've got the sauce. We've brought that back up. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to stir that up a little bit. Look at that sauce, huh? Does that look beautiful or what? Oh. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this on over. That's right. Look what we got. Look at that. Look at that dish, huh? Little salad, little whole wheat couscous, some cucumbers, olive oil, herbs de Provence, some cracked pepper. We're going to now, look at this. Look at what we're doing here. A little bit of that. Oh, how does that look, huh? How does that look? Beautiful. All right, there you have it. There you have it. A beautiful meal. Okay, well that's going to do it for me here. It's been another great episode of a new series, Robby'Rob, a.k.a. Cooking with Bob, without the vulgarity. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun for me. Now it's time to eat the dish. All right. Be good, have fun, peace, love, and understanding, live, laugh, love, and play. Because that's how we do it every day with Cooking with Bob. All right.